Intel's Core i5-12400 is a highly anticipated addition to the company's line of processors. It is a mid-range processor that promises to deliver high performance, affordability, and efficiency. In this article, we will explore the features and benefits of the Intel Core i5-12400, as well as its potential drawbacks, and how it compares to other processors on the market. Overview of the Intel Core i5-12400. The Intel Core i5-12400 is a desktop processor that was released in late 2021. It is part of the Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake-S family, and is built using the company's 10nm SuperFin technology. The processor has 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, making it a hybrid processor that can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. The Intel Core i5-12400 has a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and a turbo boost speed of 4.4 GHz. It also has 16 threads, which makes it ideal for multitasking and running multiple applications simultaneously. The processor supports DDR5 memory uoto 4800 and DDR4 up to 3200, which is the latest and fastest memory technology available, and it has a maximum memory bandwidth of 96 GB per second. The Intel Core i5-12400 is compatible with Intel's LGA1700 socket and supports PCI 5.0 and USB 4.0. It also has integrated Intel UHD graphics, which can handle basic graphics tasks, such as video playback and light gaming. Features and benefits of the Intel Core i5-12400. The Intel Core i5-12400 has several features and benefits that make it an attractive option for users looking for a mid-range processor that can handle a variety of tasks. Hybrid design. The Intel Core i5-12400's hybrid design allows it to balance performance and efficiency. The processor has 6 performance cores that can handle intensive tasks, such as gaming and video editing, as well as 4 efficiency cores that can handle less demanding tasks, such as web browsing and email. This design allows the processor to use power more efficiently, which can lead to longer battery life in laptops and lower energy bills in desktops. High clock speeds. The Intel Core i5-12400 has a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz and a turbo boost speed of 4.4 GHz. This means that the processor can handle intensive tasks quickly and efficiently. The high clock speeds also make the processor ideal for gaming, as it can handle high frame rates and smooth gamma play. DDR5 memory support. The Intel Core i5-12400 supports DDR5 memory, which is the latest and fastest memory technology available. DDR5 memory has a higher data transfer rate than DDR4 memory, which can lead to faster application load times and improved system performance. PCI 5.0 and USB 4.0 support. The Intel Core i5-12400 supports PCI 5.0 and USB 4.0, which are the latest and fastest data transfer technologies available. PCI 5.0 has a maximum bandwidth of 32 GB per second per lane, which is double the bandwidth of PCI 4.0. USB 4.0 has a maximum transfer rate of 40 Gbps, which is 4 times faster than USB 3.2. Integrated Intel UHD graphics. The Intel Core i5-12400 has integrated Intel UHD graphics, which can handle basic graphics tasks, such as video playback and light gaming. While the integrated graphics are not as powerful as a dedicated graphics card, they are suitable for users who do not require high-end graphics performance. Potential drawbacks of the Intel Core i5-12400. While the Intel Core i5-12400 has many benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks that users should be aware of. Limited overclocking potential. The Intel Core i5-12400 has limited overclocking potential compared to other processors on the market. Overclocking is the process of increasing the clock speed of a processor beyond its factory settings to achieve better performance. While some users may not require overclocking, others may find the lack of flexibility limiting. Limited multi-threaded performance. While the Intel Core i5-12400 has 16 threads, it may not perform as well as other processors with more cores. When it comes to multi-threaded tasks are those that can be divided into smaller tasks and run simultaneously across multiple cores. The Intel Core i5-12406 performance cores may limit its performance when it comes to these types of tasks. No hyperthreading. Unlike some of Intel's higher-end processors, the Intel Core i5-12400 does not support hyperthreading. Hyperthreading is a technology that allows a single core to execute multiple threads simultaneously, which can improve performance in multi-threaded tasks. The lack of hyperthreading may limit the processor's performance in some applications. No integrated Wi-Fi. The Intel Core i5-12400 does not have integrated Wi-Fi, which means that users will need to purchase a separate Wi-Fi adapter if they want to connect to a wireless network. While this may not be a major issue for desktop users who can connect via Ethernet, it may be an inconvenience for laptop users who require wireless connectivity. Comparison to other processors. To get a better idea of how the Intel Core i5-12400 stacks up against other processors on the market, let's compare it to two other popular mid-range processors, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X and the Intel Core i5-11600K. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X has 6 cores and 12 threads, a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz, and a boost clock speed of 4.6 GHz. It supports DDR4 memory and PCIe 4.0, and it has integrated AMD Radeon graphics. The Ryzen 5 5600X is known for its high single-core performance, and is a popular choice for gaming and other demanding tasks. The Intel Core i5-11600K has 6 cores and 12 threads, a base clock speed of 3.9 GHz, and a boost clock speed of 4.9 GHz. It supports DDR4 memory and PCIe 4.0, and it has integrated Intel UHD graphics. The i5-11600K is known for its high clock speeds, and is a popular choice for gaming and other demanding tasks. Compared to the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, and the Intel Core i5-11600K, the Intel Core i5-12400 has a lower base clock speed, but a higher boost clock speed. It also has more threads than the i5-11600K and integrated graphics, which the Ryzen 5 5600X does not have. However, the Ryzen 5 5600X has higher single-core performance than the Intel Core i5-12400. Overall, the Intel Core i5-12400 is a competitive mid-range processor that offers a balance of performance, affordability, and efficiency. It may not be the most powerful processor on the market, but it is a solid choice for users who require a reliable processor for everyday use, gaming, and light content creation. It also offers several features, such as DDR5 memory support and PCIe 5.0 and USB 4.0 support, that make it a good investment for users who want to